The next is Cloud Services. We can find Cloud Services in Settings interface. First enter Settings. Then enter Cloud Services. The device needs to be connected to the internet first. Then you can log in or register. You can log in if you have an account. If you don't have an account, you need to register a Cloud Services account in advance. Registration of the Cloud Service account can only be performed on all devices. Click Register to register an account with the phone number or email. You can directly log in after registration. Click Login. You are in the Cloud Services. You can see your phone number. You can change your phone number or your password.